to start with a film with Mr. Irfan. Is it time for us to pray for him and wish him the best in these conditions?
I think we should always pray for people and good health, So if his health is not, um, the best at this point, I think it is important for all of us to pray not just for him, but I think for people who, I think every day, in fact, that's a small little prayer I say for myself and for everyone around me. I say this, I always believe that there's nothing more important than peace of mind and being healthy. And yes, I think the last couple of weeks have been emotionally challenging. Um, but yeah, I think we all should say a little prayer.
You have worked with so much, like very memorable films. How do you feel as an actor for it? Like how as an actor about his work?
He is someone I absolutely love, not just as an actor, but as a person. I've had, I think, one of my most special, I would say, experiences as an actor with him. Piku will be my all-time favorite and special films, and I think he has a large part to play in that. And but that's it. I mean, I honestly, I do not know. I do not know where he is. I do not know what has happened. And I think, like he has requested, I think there are times when people just need to be left alone for some time and figure their lives out. And I think we should respect that space that they have all requested for. But like we said, hope for the best and say a little prayer.
मुझे हाल ही में वो पता लगा एंड मतलब आई रियली फील कि वो हेल्दी स्टेट में जल्दी वापस आए एंड आई रियली प्रे फॉर हिम एंड हिज फैमिली एक्चुअली.
Before you leave, what is the most important and crucial and which makes him different part of his acting and his persona?
इरफान सर, I think overall he's perfect. I mean, he's perfect in everything. I mean, in terms of acting, if you see, he's one of the topmost rated actor in our country, and I really pray for him and his family, and I really want to see him healthy.
Thank you so very much.
Thank
See
you.
tomorrow at 9 p.m.
Thank you so much. Thank you. See you guys. यहाँ से लेफ्ट. उस तरफ इस तरफ. आ जाओ. Thank you.